recently working on a project making some end grain cutting boards. Now I'm just going to take the extra and make some end grain coasters.
Here I'm using the crosscut sled to cut pieces down into a better size.
I've cut it all. Here's what I'm left with. Definitely be able to get a set or two out of this.
The jointer works great because I can use this to get a nice flat edge to make the glue ups that much easier to do. Now it's back to the crosscut sled to get them a little closer to the size that they're going to actually be when they're done. There's so much to see how fast it works back like that. Quickly just organize them into some shapes, little strips of 4. I like to put tape on the clamps, that way the glue doesn't stick to them.
I'm just going to finish setting these up. I'm going to go on to 320. Now I'm going to start to finish these. Use this block called butcher block well. I'm just going to do multiple coats. Here's the first coat. I was just going to use butcher block oil, but I don't like the look of the finish, so I'm just going to use polyacrylic. I sanded these down to 320. With this polyacrylic, I just apply several very light coats. Just did the first coat, now I'm going to do a second coat. Alright, now we've got 2 coats, now I'm going to go on to the third coat. I'll maybe do one more coat after this. Once you figure out the method to apply this polyacrylic, this is just so easy to do. It took a while, like quite a few projects, but now it's nice and easy. We find just thin coats, that's all you need. Okay, if I see some bubbles on there, there's tiny little bubbles, what I'll do is I'll just flip it over, do the second side, get a little of this on me, and then I'll flip it back over and I'll just respread it. I find the best way to do it is start with the sides, because you can just go back over and then retouch them. Find the best way to apply the polyacrylic is just to use the lightest amount you can. Sometimes if you put too much on the brush, I just flip it over and then just dab it like that, and then go back to the other side and then fix it. So you get all the material out of the brush. Perfect. Final stage is this now. It's got some nice coats on here. See, it's got a nice shine. Now we're just going to apply the pad. You can just get these at Home Depot, a couple bucks. It's super easy to apply. There we go. That's it. And that's it for this. These are the coasters. They look really nice. If you like this content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's the kind of stuff I post as often as I can. Thanks for watching it. These kinds of things will make a perfect Christmas gift.